Hi, Patrick from XPression. I want to give you a quick little tech support tip for you today. A couple of them actually. You're having issues with your system and you're calling tech support and they want to know what version of software you're running. Well, if you look up on the title bar of your XPression, right now I'm running XPression Studio and it's actually telling me I'm running build version 5.9, build 3144. If you're trying to figure out what features you have available to you, if you click on Help, About, it opens up the About XPression menu and it will show you the licensee of the dongle, and mine is a demo dongle for Ross Video, so it says it's to Ross Video. It's telling me it's for a non-commercial demo license, meaning I can't sell it to anybody. But down in the available licenses, you can see what software features you're enabled for on this dongle, and I have bunches here. So I've got Studio and Player and Blue Box because I do this for demos. Basically, I've got anything XPression can support, and you might be looking for things, for example, like maybe you'll have data link support and Studio. I even have Gateway on here because what that allows me to do for testing purposes, I can have the Moss Gateway running and I can even have my plugins running. So for example, I want to look at what Template Builder is. I can sit here and I can test XPression graphics and everything is all self-contained on my computer. So I have a full test system here. So again, what you want to do is find out what you're licensed for and what you're capable of using, and that may also trace back to your purchase orders and information, but this way you can at least track what it is that you have and what you think you should be entitled to.